Welcome back, friends. It's Hagger Hagman here with another fish fry review. Unfortunately, my cameraman's off today, so hopefully this goes well. So this is what came with today's fish fry. There's a piece of rye bread. You have some mac salad, some coleslaw, french fries, and the fish. Today's fish fry is from the kitchen at Pita Gourmet. It costs $21.99 plus tax, delivery, and tips on DoorDash, but if you go there, you can pick it up and get it for $17.99 plus tax. Alright, so let's dig in. First, I'm going to try the fish. Tastes really good. It's kind of greasy, and it's definitely crispy, but the breading kind of falls off. But it is one of the better ones that I've had. I'm going to try the french fries. They're standard french fries, nothing to write home about. No real unique seasonings or anything. But not bad either, though. Coleslaw definitely looks like it has some unique ingredients on it. So I made it there. One of the best coleslaws I've tasted. Mac salad's a little different than normal too, so it looks like they made it there. Really decent taste to it. It does taste like it was made with mayonnaise too. It's had a Miracle Whip. Bread's bread, but at least it's fresh. It's not stale. So overall, I'd definitely get this fish fry again. Thank you. Have a good day.